Morning or good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the project daily. It's afternoon time now. I was supposed to start this car in the morning, but we've been busy with the Mini. As you guys can see, the Puzzling Stones garage is full today. So yeah, I've been working into trying to fix this Mini. It's been running high oil pressures. Don't know why, but this is what the oil filter looks like. I don't know if that looks right for you. Doesn't look right to me. But anyway, yeah. Also got some goodies for Project Daily. Picked up some vinegar. We are gonna be cleaning this baby today. I also have that piece over there. I got some plastic. Tape ran away. And some insulation just to plug up the holes. That on there. And then these ones here on the side. So I don't really know why guys use vinegar to clean the tanks. I asked a friend, he said let's use vinegar. The tank looks generally clean, still has fuel in it. I wish I could use it, but I can't. I don't think you guys can either. Yeah, the tank looks generally I don't even have a flash, it's fine. The tank looks fine. So I'm gonna try and clean it up on the outside and the inside, and then come back to it. So yeah guys, I loosened the 17s here, and on that side's already done, but as you can see the cross axle don't want to drop because of this. I don't know what this is. It runs all the way here on top of the brakes, and so it comes all the way up here by the fuel tank full. So I don't know what it's for, but it's holding me back. It's for what?
Culture.
Which culture?
Dub culture.
Wow. Those cars are working now, they got big tunes. When the engine is stripped, they are quiet.
was the
Check.
first daughter 10 years ago.
He's even matching his car. Check him. You want to introduce to the vlog, Carl? Say, guys, this is Carl.
Huh?
This is the
Not while I'm washing the cat.
This is the owner of Auto Experts.
Where we get the cats right.
But
Every time.
wow. Not sponsored. Help her all out. Kanti has saved him today and the previous 2 days. Oh, can't even help me. But anyway, it's fine. But yeah, guys, this. Oh shit. I cut this wire. I don't know what it's for, but anyway. So now I need to loosen these these brake lines. It's an 11 and a 14, both sides, and then the cross member should drop. Okay, I was loosening here so it should come down, but then I looked up. Oh shit, cannot focus. Yeah, wow, so much more space. So now I have to tighten up here again and then over there. Anyway, guys, don't buy a project car, guys, please. It's not worth it, especially if you like me and know nothing about cars. Don't do it, bad idea. Yeah, guys, finally winning. It's out. This thing finally dropped a bit, so it's only to come. Don't worry about that rust. Just need to do that side, drop the exhaust, and then we can loosen that on and that on, and then the tank should come out. What's up, guys? So, what's it calling? Reinforcements. So hi, Ty.
What's happening?
So yeah, I've been puzzling to get the tank out. I've dropped the, what's this thing called? Subframe? Rear axle. I've disconnected the brake lines, disconnected the exhaust. Nothing. So, I don't know. That's why Ty and I are gonna see what we can't see. Yeah, get back to it just now. It started raining, hey. Oh, shit is trash, dog. It's trash. That silver plate?
Yeah.
I remember, but in the video I watched, they didn't drop it. They just dropped the whole tank, wasn't it? I don't know where you get the energy.
Was a big flat screwdriver?
You almost moved it. I wanted to move the jack that is holding the car.
Oh, little man wanna take me out. Where's that bigger one that we had the last time?
I don't know. Is that how you did?
Yeah.
What?
Come there, hey, the screwdriver's in a freight.
Right.
Come there.
That's what he did.
For what?
Yeah.
Well. Hey,
Why do I feel like the other one dropped in as soon? Oh, you know why? We loosen the brake lines once we already did all this. Wait now, whoa. There's one plugged in the top coming up. Give me a chance, yo.
Hey, the way you were going on like it's jammed for whatever reason. And
I don't want it to get jammed.
so push it down.
No, it must come up.
What?
The
The tank?
floats wire. Right, it's fine.
You took it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you need me?
No.
Oh. It's coming. You see?
Where's jamming now?
Jammed on ice.
You
had it, buddy. Okay, it's yeah. I just feel like it's still hanging on something.
Yeah.
Huh? No, I feel like it's still hanging on something. Yeah. Wait.
It's not hanging on nothing.
It is. It's getting caught somewhere. It's this what you call it? This breather thing. Take it out here.
Are you sure it's
With the screwdriver? Yeah, it's getting caught here
Are
on the
you
side.
sure?
Yeah. Hey, bro.
It's not there, bro. It's clear.
It's not. It's holding it up. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, on the back. It's going up. What is that even? Is it? See what I'm saying? Take it out of there.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is clear.
Punky, it's not. It's holding here.
No, I think it's out.
Where?
Yeah. I don't see how this is jamming. I don't know. Look. It's out. Young Zonda, young Tan.
One sec. Oh.
Young
Right.
Zonda, young Tan.
I found our problem. It's that same pipe that had us boxed in when you were stripping the other car.
Lift the tank up there.
Here's it coming. Check. Oh no, never
So
mind.
flipping tato,
Hey.
Come to the side, cutter. You gotta.
No. Sure. Great success, guys. Tank is out. Nice. Was that fun, buddy?
This tank is bounced. This is a hard one. Let's put the hard one in.
It's in the boot. Do we really want to? Do we really have to? You guys got the new fuel line over there. Old one over here. So guys, we got another problem. That's our problem. Alcoholics. Didn't know they were fuel line. I don't know how they run. The injected ones. I know some of them. No, we can't. Sorry. Yeah. So I don't know.
I didn't see once you put the hard ones in.
But you need to connect the fuel lines while it's out and then put it in.
Yeah, let's put a few lines in now first.
Yeah. And connect them, but you don't know how they go. So yeah guys, puzzling stance is still puzzling. What happened?